Hey, this is Jason here at Rex Arms. Today we have a Stoeger 3000 to disassemble. Alright, let's get to it. First, we're going to make sure that it is unloaded. And look at that! It is! Next thing I'm going to look for is the follower, but we took the spring out, so you're not going to see that. Alright, let's get to it. So, let's take off the magazine cap. There's no spring in there, otherwise, it'd be a pain in the neck. And look at that, that's the spring. That's the magazine spring retainer, which is going to be in there, except that we took it out. You need a special tool to take that out, but you could do it with a pair of needle nose pliers and just squeeze that together. Good luck, hope, sympathy, and it shoots on out. Anyway, this is the limiter. You need that if you're going, duck hunting or whatever you like to do. But that's a wonderful thing. Next, we're going to take off the magazine tube cap, and that's going to release the barrel and handguard. That's off. Now comes the barrel extension, and handguard. That all just slides right off. It's a little stiff when you first get one, but it all comes off generally pretty easy. Next thing we're going to take out is the charging handle, and sometimes that's a little stiff. But now that we have that out, we're going to go ahead and set that off to the side. Next, we're going to take out our bolt carrier group, if you want to call it that, and the operating rods. So that separates apart just like that. Pretty easy. Set that off to the side. Now off comes the mainspring. Set that off to the side. Now, we've got our trigger group here. So this pin is very interesting. It only goes out one way and in one way. I like to use an Allen wrench. It's the easiest thing that I've found to take it out. I usually have this laying around because it's the handy thing to take off the mag tube clamp. Now it only goes in one way, as you can tell by that flange. I don't know if you can see that flange very well. But anyway, there's a recess there for the flange on that bolt. I don't know if you can see it there. Hopefully you can. And this is the little flange that I'm talking about. So it goes in one way, goes out one way. So make sure you see that beforehand. It's not going to mess anything up, but it's just a pain. Anyway, and then that just pops right on out. And there you go. Pretty much. There we go. Out goes the follower. That's the lovely spring spacer. They pretty much disassembled. So the last few things are the shell stop right there. That's a bit of a pain to take out. You really don't need to take it out. You can if you want to. It's just a roll pin holding it in. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video.